Listen to your teachers. Absorb all the knowledge you can.
Yeah. Which she kind of absorbs that very, very quickly.
So you can absorb this lesson.
Right.
Yes, I'm telling you, I understand the lesson.
You also failed to understand the principal lesson.
Are you absorbing water? Please don't do that.
We soak up the water.
We'll soak up the poison.
Alcohol is absorbed directly into the bloodstream through the lining of the mouth.
Welcome to my channel. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Don't forget to smash that subscribe button.
What are you thinking, Kion?
I'm thinking Bunga's right.
Bunga's right.
I'm Bunga!
All we need is one dark cloud.
You mean like that one?
We need it to rain.
Okay, so where are we gonna get rain from?
The roar. It's made it rain before.
What? This I gotta see.
This I gotta see.
I gotta see this.
This I gotta see.
Do it, Kion! Do it, do it, do it, do it! All we need is one dark cloud.
A dark cloud.
There's one teensy dark cloud.
Dark clouds.
Dark cloud returned.
Sun is gone and the clouds turn gray.
What? What do you see?
What'd you say?
What do you see?
What do you see? All I see is sky and clouds.
The sky, clouds, the sun.
That'd be amazing. Or like the sky and clouds.
When the sun is high, we sail the length of the sea.
When the sun goes down.
When the summer's over and the dark clouds hide the sun.
The clouds are happy and wispy, the sun's bright.
The sun shines bright.
The sun shines bright.
Don't panic. There's so much fear. Sunshine bright. You're not safe.
Yeah, can we just settle this weather?
Settle the weather. Oh yes, the weather must be settled.
The remnants will not settle the weather. You didn't settle the weather.
That is why you've come, to settle the weather.
Now it's too late for us.
It's too late! It's too late for all of us!
Better late than never.
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 It's never too late for now.
Do it, do it, do it. Okay, everyone, prepare to get wet.
Let's get wet!
The roar can make it rain.
Barney, I'm getting wet.
I'm getting all wet.
I'm wet. I'm cold.
Unbelievable!
Ugh, that's rain, all right.
Oh, huzzah!
Nice job on the rain, Kion.
Thanks, bestie.
Ooh, now if only there was a roar to make it stop.
Man, if only there was a way to stop traffic.
Stop traffic. Stop traffic. Everyone needs to stop.
If only there was a place where we could all be happy and not get killed.
Maybe there's a tower. If only there was a way I could remember this day forever.
Ooh.
It'll stop any second. See?
Oh, this is great. The ground is really thirsty.
The ground might be thirsty, Bestie, but it's so dry it can't absorb all this water.
Are you absorbing water? Please don't do that.
Alcohol is absorbed directly into the bloodstream through the lining of the mouth.
Listen to your teachers. Absorb all the knowledge you can.
Yeah. Which she kind of absorbs that very, very quickly.
So you can absorb this lesson.
I think I just need to listen, observe, absorb.
Oh, that's not a problem.
Are you that self-absorbed? Are you that self-absorbed?
Am I self-absorbed?
No. He's also completely self-absorbed.
You're so self-absorbed and stupid.
You're self-centered, self-absorbed.
Case, I'm very sorry there was a mix-up. There was no mix-up. Well, it wasn't intentional. When you're an egoist, none of the harm you do is intentional. When you're an egoist, none of the harm you do is intentional.
She's self-absorbed.
She's a little self-absorbed for kids.
I am such a self-absorbed asshole.
Except for the fact that I can't ask her if it's because of me. Totally self-absorbed.
It'd be easy for anyone to become a little self-absorbed.
I just haven't really had time to adjust. Kind of absorb everything.
You just absorb her? It's gonna be too hard to work with him?
No. I'm just absorbing. I'll be fine.
All right, we can absorb this loss.
Pray to God that we can absorb the loss without the cartel finding out.
Sometimes he gets so absorbed in his work that he doesn't move for days.
All great artists get absorbed in their work.
Someone's absorbed in the game.
There's nowhere for it to go.
And then there's nowhere for it to go.
And now, there's nowhere for Mom to go.
There's nowhere to go.
Oh, it's going somewhere, all right. Look! Hapana! Lion Guard, we gotta get these zebras to safety.
Gotta get these humans to safety fast.
But I can help get these people to safety.
These people need help. Get as many as you can to safety.
We need to get as many people to safety as quickly as possible.
As quickly as possible.
Fast as possible.
And as fast as humanly possible.
As fast as humanly possible.
Look, we have to think about letting all of these people here get to safety.
Fully, round up the zebras.
Let's round the boys up.
Round the crew up.
Round up the aristocrats.
Shall we round them up?
Round them all up.
Round them up.
Let's round them up. This way. Bestie, see if you can block the water. Can you move? You're blocking my path.
Tom, the police have set a roadblock.
Somebody blocked the road.
Shit. A roadblock.
Oh, it's a roadblock.
Roads are blocked.
He's blocking your path.
Sir, you're blocking our path, please.
Excuse me. You blocked my path.
Block his path.
You got it, Kion.
This way. Crazy.
I don't understand. You said it was the dry season.
That was the craziest water slide ever.
Water slide.
The loudest.
The craziest party ever.
That was the craziest thing that ever happened.
Guys, wait. I'm in the Outlands. I better get back to the Pride Lands and make sure everyone else is okay.
I better get back.
Just making sure everyone's okay.
I better get back to work.
And make sure everything is okay. Anybody hurt?
Nope.
Anybody hurt?
Anybody missing? Nope.
Is anybody dying?
No.
Is anybody hurt?
Well, was anybody hurt?
Anybody hurt? You all right, miss?
Help! Help!
Are you hurt?
We're okay. Yes.
You didn't have to panic and run.
You're right. Zebras, remember that for next time. Panicking was enough.
The roar made it rain! Yeah, but it was a lot more rain than I was expecting.
A lot more than we were expecting.
More than I expected.
Good job blocking that wave, Bestie. Bestie? Hey, Big B! Where you hiding?
Where you hiding?
Where are you hiding?
Where are you hiding?
Where are you hiding?
Big B? Big B! How do we manage to lose a whole hippo?
Really? How'd you manage that?
How could we have been so stupid?
How could I have been so stupid?
That's a bit of an oversight.
That's right. And that is a major oversight. Okay.
How'd you manage that?
How'd you manage that?
All that water. It must have swept him away.
I shall be swept away.
You will be swept away. You, your men, your ship, your worlds!
But one day, An incredible, mysterious storm appeared. It swept away the entire laboratory.
You see entire houses being swept away by floodwaters in the west.
Oh, he's Big B! You know, big.
Then again, that was an awful lot of water.
Awful lot of water.
There'd be an awful lot of crying. Yeah.
That's an awful lot of money.
Awful lot of traffic.
And it was moving awfully fast.
And everything started to move awfully fast.
Mr. Walker, don't get too close to the water. Don't get too close. Don't get too close. You're too close.
What's it? Get away from there! Get away! Get away!
Get away from there!
Sorry, what'd you say now?
I'm sorry, what did you say?
I'm sorry, what'd you say?
Sorry, what'd you say?
What you say? Nothing. Go away now.
Get on out of here!
Get on out of here. What just happened?
The hell's that thing?
What the hell was that thing?
What the hell was that?
Well, that there was a hippopotamus. Mm-hmm. And they are awfully fast. Faster than a horse, if you can believe that.
They are fast, faster than you could believe. They are fast, faster than you could believe.
I should have thought of that before I used the roar.
Gosh, yes, I should have thought of
Oh, absolutely. I should have thought of that.
I should have thought of this before.
Maybe you should have thought about that before.
But you saved the zebras. But you saved me.
Yeah, I saved you from the situation I put you in.
But then, you saved me.
You saved me. Do you understand? You saved me. Let's just hope Bestie's okay.
Let's not lose hope.
I hope he's okay.
I hope he's okay.
Of course he's okay. He's Big B. He's gotta be okay.
He's gotta be okay.
He is gonna be okay, right? He's gonna be okay. Oh no? Take a look and see if you can spot him.
Take a look.
Take a look.
Let's take a look.
Take a look. See? Take a look and see.
Well, let's see if we can spot that ship out there.
And see if you can spot that president's limo.
7 items are different. See if you can spot which ones.
Why don't you go through it and see if you can spot any patterns or anomalies?
Spot him on the monitors.
They probably spotted us.
They've been spotted in Chicago.
They've got him.
Spotted him?
They've been spotted around multiple kingdoms across the centuries.
Come on, Bestie. Where are you? Phew. It's really hot.
Hot today.
It's really hot today.
It's really hot.
Really hot.
The sun's gonna burn me if I'm not careful.
The sun burns. You burn like the sun. The sun before the bird, the thunder before the lightning, and the breath before the flame. Have you ever felt this way? La, la, la.
I better find some shade.
Jeez, I'm fried. Let's get out of here and find some shade.
I'm fried.
Find us some shade. Thanks, Hot Mix.
Right this way, sir. Oh, why, thank you.
Riverbed might be the fastest way home.
I was looking at a riverbed.
A riverbed in the desert!
But that all changed because of what was going on next to the riverbed.
She saw herself at night running naked down a highway, running across fields, running down riverbeds, always running.
But at least this way I'll be able to find some shade
Well, at least I'll be able to breathe.
and see more of the Outlands.
The sun is red hot and I wanna play.
Gotta keep moving, long way to walk. Can't see shelter, I've looked a lot. No time to waste, no place to stop.
No time to waste.
Cause one thing hard way I've learned, if I'm out in the sun too long, I get burned. Loving every bit of this welcome breeze, but what I need is shade and trees.